walk the dusty school road every day. Two young hearts with dreams that wouldn't fade. A world shoes with holes beneath my feet. She smiled like sunshine, making life complete. Her father's house stood high above the land. Mine was built with weathered wood and hands. Take my heart if you must leave today. The road to town steals you away. Electric echoes scream my name, while memories burn like endless flame. The tears fell softly in the rain, but miles could never break our chain. Letters faded with the passing years, hidden underneath my hopes and fears. You chased your dreams beneath the city lights. I stayed behind with quiet moonlit nights. Every harvest whispered of your smile. Every lonely road stretched every mile. If love were measured by a wealthy name, then every poor man's heart would lose the game. But every note this old guitar still plays calls your memory through the endless days. Take my heart, those seasons come and go. You're the only love I'll ever know. The town may keep your distant dreams, but nothing's ever what it seems. If someday fate brings you back home, you'll find I never loved alone. I loved you before the world knew our names, and I'll love you long after it forgets mine.